Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is to import or to add your content or the video that you want to add subtitles for into your timeline. And basically you can do that by just clicking on media, and from there you can click on import media, and you choose the video that you would like, and you will just drag and drop. And you can do that with as many videos as you'd like. And basically now we will be able to start like importing on our video. So from here you will have like some settings, and basically from here we will find like many other tools like the AI ma mating tools, like it will just doing some coloring, etc. And there is the AI translation, etc. Now all I want to do now is just to go to titles, and basically from here you will be able like to add titles to your uh, and now we will need simply to go, let's go back to our timeline, and basically you will be needing like to go to these AI tools so you can be able to add subtitles. And basically from here you will find among these AI tools you will find the AI translation and the AI speech to text, and this is the one that we are interested in. Basically you will have like an English, and basically you need no need for translation. You choose like add automatic, or and from here you can do whatever you like. And basically I'm just going to click on generate, and you log in into your account in Filmora, and then it will generate it automatically. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.